everybody, what's up? This is Brandon from 2A Direct. Today we're going to be talking about Motorola radio earpieces. Alright, now before you choose an earpiece, you want to find out what type of radio connector you have. By the way, if you need help at any time, feel free to give us a call at 888-742-5893 and a specialist will be able to help you out. Alright, so if you have a radio handy, look on the front or maybe the side and you might see a model number. If not there, try taking off the battery, and on the back of the radio you'll see a little white sticker and it should say a model number on there. But again, if you don't find it, feel free to give us a call. We'd be glad to help you out. Alright, now let's take a look at your Motorola radio connector options. First, you've got the M1 connector, which is a two-prong connection, and that's going to be for most of your CLS series radios, CP200s and PR400s. Now, the M2 connector is a single pin, and it's for your Visar series radios. And then your M3 is a multi-pin type of connector for GP series, HT1000s, JT, MT, MTS, and XTS series radios. Next, you've got your M4, which is a multi-pin connector for your HT series radios. So you've got your HT750s, your HT1250s, 1550s, as well as your MTX series radios. And then next, we've got the M5, which is a multi-pin connection, and that's for your EX series. So EX500, 560XLS, and EX600 radios. Next, you've got your M6, which is a single pin connector, and that's going to be for most of your low tier talk about Motorola radios. And then your M7 is a multi-pin connector for your XPR 6000 and 7000 series, as well as your APX series radios. Next, you've got your M8 connector, which is a single pin connection for the new Motorola TLK 100 series radios, SL300, SL7550s, and other SL series models. And then last, you've got your M9 connector, which is another multi-pin for your XPR 3300 and 3500 series radios. Now that you've identified your Motorola radio connector, let's take a look at the earpiece options. Now, starting with the least expensive option, we've got the Shell Earpiece, which is a one-wire kit that fits on the outside of your ear. Next, we've got a Hook Earpiece, which is also a one-wire kit and fits on the outside of your ear as well. These are great for sharing with employees, so you don't have an earbud that fits on the inside of your ear. It's easy to clean and easy to interchange between employees. Next, we've got kind of a step up. It's a two-wire surveillance kit. Now, the two-wire surveillance kit is a little bit more discreet. It's also known as a Secret Service style earpiece. So there's a clear coil that comes behind your ear and a memory foam ear tip that fits on the inside of your ear canal. And what's great about the memory foam ear tip is it feels a lot more comfortable for long-term use. And once it's in your ear, it expands, so it blocks out a lot of external noise, so you can hear the radio transmission a lot more clear. Next, we've got the heavy-duty two-wire surveillance kit, which is the same earpiece. It's just reinforced cabling with Kevlar reinforcement, so it's a little bit more durable. All right, be sure to check the link in the description for all your earpiece options for your Motorola 2A radios. There's a filter in the navigation, which is going to help you narrow your results by radio model. Be sure to check it out. If you like this video, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe. And if you have any ideas for any other videos you want us to do, feel free to comment below. And thanks for watching.